If you're inviting an external user into SharePoint for collaborative purposes, what you want to do is select on members. You're going to select new, and then you can either type or paste the email address into the invitation, and then make sure that you select send an email invitation there and select share. I'm going to take you through a short training and show you how to do it in the future in case you want to do it or in case you want to provide it to some of your team members so that you can understand how to invite people to your SharePoint site. Of course, this is for Office 365 customers who are utilizing SharePoint for project management. And I'm going to show you just really quickly and easily how you can invite external users into your collaborative workspace inside of SharePoint so that you can manage your projects more effectively. So I'll go ahead and jump right into the training and get started for you. As I was saying, what you would do first and foremost is you would log into the SharePoint site. You're going to go up to the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. Go ahead and select Site Permissions and then Advanced Permissions. Here you're going to see your groups. There are different levels of access for the groups. As you can see here, you have members that have edit, which is a read-write privilege. You have visitors, which are going to be your read privileges. And of course, the site owners for this workspace would have full control over site settings. So if you're inviting an external user into SharePoint for collaborative purposes, what you want to do is select on members. You're going to select new. And then you can either type or paste the email address into the invitation, and then make sure that you select send an email invitation there and select share. Now, if for some reason there's some permission issues, you might have to delete old users from the system. This will make sure that you don't have duplicate entries for individual users and ensure that you are able to get a clean installation. Now, the other important thing is to make sure that you are logging into the right site URL. Of course, there's a bunch of different project sites or project workspaces within your SharePoint site, or there may be. So you want to make sure that you're providing the right URL to the collaborative workspace. And if you have the right URL, the right username and password, they follow the invitation. It should take them right back to the login screen, and they will be able to set up a email address, or they will be able to set up a password and inevitably have the correct email address. So that's all I got for you tonight. If you would like to receive more training on how to manage your Office 365 or Microsoft account and collaborative workspace through SharePoint, you can jump over to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and set up notifications so you don't miss future trainings. In addition to our support trainings that we publish there, you can go to support.razorsharpnetworks.com to get all the questions answered that we've been putting together over the years that'll help you optimize your online environment and automate your customer life cycle so that you can move contacts through the customer journey more rapidly with better results than ever before. So if you have any questions, you'd like to book a free strategy call, you can jump over to our website in the top right-hand section. There is an appointment booking link. Feel free to schedule a one-on-one so we can talk about your favorite subject, which is your business and how to grow your business with AI. Hopefully we'll get a chance to talk in the very near future. And until then, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon.